if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dull face, then this face wash is for you. It's very simple. It contains active ingredients and it will definitely do the work. So we're starting with measuring our distilled water. You can use hydrosols like rose hydrosol, cucumber hydrosol, but I like to keep this simple, so that is why I'm using just distilled water. Feel free to use hydrosols if you have. So our next ingredient is our thickener. This is our xanthan gum. We are using xanthan gum in this formulation as our thickening agent. So normally I don't like thickeners in my face wash, but then in this formulation it's kind of necessary. So that is why I'm using just little amount of thickener. So feel free to use any, like your consistency depend on you. The consistency of the face wash depend on you. If you want it more thick, like thick, you know what to do. Just add the percentage of your thickener, that is your xanthan gum. So normally you hydrate your xanthan gum with vegetable glycerin. So I use vegetable glycerin and then add with hyaluronic acid. There's the hyaluronic acid right there. The hyaluronic acid is optional. I just want to add luxury to the already luxurious face wash, so that is why I add the hyaluronic acid. So feel free, even if you don't have it, you can just use your xanthan gum and glycerin and create this slurry, and then you are good to go, like I said. And if you have the powdered hyaluronic acid, you can also put it in there together with the xanthan gum, and then put your glycerin and mix. Like let this slurry form the slurry first before like let not be any powder, any lumps of powder, you get right. So like I said earlier, this face wash is very good when you're suffering from any form of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and dull face, and even pimples. It can help with the acne bacteria. So the reason why I like face wash sometimes even more than face soap is because I feel like face wash give me that extra glow. I don't know. Like whenever I use face wash, I have this extra glow, I like face wash. Maybe because of the way I make my face wash. So these are kojic acid. Kojic acid is very good when it comes to treating dark spots, mainly. It's very good when it comes to treating dark spots, inhibiting your melanin production, giving you kind of, light, brighter skin. So I like kojic acid in all my formulations. And this is glutathione powder. It's very good. Like, it's a top-notch lightening and treatment powder also. So it's very good. All these powders are water soluble, so we're just going to dissolve our powders with the distilled water we measured earlier. Like, you measure the overall water that you're going to use for the formulation, and then you use the water to dissolve your powders, right? Good. So I want to use this opportunity and thank all my subscribers. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Feel free to comment, ask questions, wherever you confused or something. Just let's interact, okay? So like I said, thank you very much for watching, and then please subscribe. All right. So as we're dissolving our powder, even the glutathione powder I told you is water soluble. So again, if you are looking to start up your skincare brand, I always advise, even if you want to start up a skincare brand that is not fully organic, just learn the basics. Learn what is there to formulate things from scratch. That way you have the full knowledge, like you can be diverse with everything. So here I don't know, I let this xanthan gum get so comfortable. Like I needed to put this slurry into this distilled water right from the beginning, but then my camera got, my battery and all of that. So the xanthan gum end up being kind of stiff or something, very, very thick, like kind of want to dry up, when you are working with xanthan gum, this kind of situation. So I just have to put it in there. Like, don't worry, I know you feel like, what is this? Is it going to like dissolve or something? Don't worry. Like, this is where I'll brag about being pro. Like, however I formulate this, I know it will give me what I'm looking for. So just don't worry, just chill and just, enjoy the show. As you can see, that's the xanthan gum right there. Not even thinking of dissolving. Don't worry. So let's just continue. So this is my vitamin E. Yes, I'll be putting that in there. Just luxury. Like, I'm giving my face, that extra, luxury. So sometimes creating face wash is not all about putting a lot of things. It might just end up, just irritating your face. So this is turmeric powder. This turmeric powder take this face wash to a whole new level because it have a lot of benefits. Benefits of turmeric on the face, like turmeric on our skin. It just give us that yellow face. So that is the turmeric right there. So please, if you don't have a hand mixer or hand blender, that stick blender, if you don't have stick blender, whenever you just finish dissolving your xanthan gum, just quickly put it in your distilled water. The reason why I don't even feel anything, because I have this stick blender that I can easily just bring everything together. So that is our surfactant right there. I'm using cocoa bean. I'm using only cocoa bean in this as my surfactant because I don't want too much foam in my face wash. Like, I don't want that dryness. I don't want to wash my face and then feel so dried up. You get what I'm saying, right? So I want mild foaming. I don't want any kind of over foaming, because that too much foam on your face wash can trigger irritation. It can dry up your face. It can even end up, all the good ingredient that is there can just be washed off without even staying on your face. So I don't want too much foam. So when formulating face wash, you have to be very careful. You don't put too many things. You don't go wild on face wash because face is very delicate. You can't just go wild putting a lot of things. And that's the preservative right there. I use Germa Plus preservative. You can use any preservative that's available to you. So here I will just, stick blend this and then bring everything together to form the face wash to come together and become face wash. So don't forget, we do train if you want to learn how to make effective skincare products, like effective skincare product from scratch. All you have to do is chat us. There is link in our description box that will take you to our WhatsApp, and then we talk there. So this is me mixing my face wash to make the xanthangum dissolve. So if you happen to be doing this, just don't over mix in order not to create so many bubbles. So just mix it gently, and then you have your face wash. So it's not going to be that thick, because I told you I don't like thick face wash. Like, I just feel it feels so tacky on my face. I don't like it. I just like very simple face wash like this, like the consistency like this. Feel free, if you want more thick consistency, to just add more xanthangum like I showed you. So, and there we have it. Our face wash is ready. This face wash is very effective. Ever since I started using it, I don't want to stop. So thank you very much for watching.